Hello children, welcome back to my channel and let's start our today's drawing. First we will draw one curved line and here I will draw V. Then one more curved line in this way. Some grasses here. Then I will add leaves. Just draw curved lines and you can create lovely tree in this way, okay? Then after that, from here I will draw one line coming down and one more line here. This will be our river, and from here I will draw like this some trees. It's very easy, simple and very easy. We add birds here. Now our drawing is finished. Let's color. So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And also you can suggest me what to draw for the next video in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.